So now we are going to see how consignment process can be managed through materials management module. So here there are few prerequisites. Among them, material master and vendor master is important. With respect to material and vendor, purchase organization and plant, a consignment info record will be created through transaction ME11. Then a purchase order needs to be created with item category K. Once a purchase order is created, then goods received will be done through MIGO transaction. Here the movement type that will come or trigger is 101 K. Even though the goods is received, still the liability will be held in the hands of supplier only. Because of why? The reason, there won't be any accounting document that get generated during the time of goods received. Whenever business need any material, then a transfer posting will be done using 411K. So once transfer posting is done, then accounting document will be generated and the inventory accounts will get triggered for the quantity that has been utilized or drawn from the consignment stock. So lastly, for the consumed quantity of the material, settlement needs to be done, followed by payment. In order to do this process, furthermore configuration settings that are required is assigning a standard purchase organization to the plant and assigning a tax code in PIR. These two settings are needed, otherwise one cannot be able to do the settlements in MRKO transaction. Only by configuring these below two items, system will allow to do the settlement. So to summarize these steps for the consignment process, firstly a material master is needed, followed by a vendor master or business partner. Using the both, one should maintain a purchase info record because the price will be taken from the info record during the time of creating the purchase order, followed by goods received. Now supplier will send the purchase order quantity to the company premises, but still the liability will be in the hands of supplier only. Only when the quantity is required, business will consume some amount of stock, or one can say the quantity of stock from the consignment stock using 411K movement type through transfer posting in MIGO. For the consumed quantity of the stock, settlement has to be done, and that can be done through MRKO transaction. This is how a consignment process can be handled. Let us now see how one can manage these steps in SAP. So as explained before, here the material we are going to use is 60,062. Likewise, we have a vendor. Here we can see in vendor we have to check these tick boxes, which is automatic settlement check boxes and GR based invoice verification. The same is available during the time of creating business partner in S4HANA system as well in purchasing tab. So these check boxes are mandatory, then only one will be able to post settlements through MRKO transaction. So now one has to create an info record. So this is the vendor, this is the material, and this is the purchase organization and plant, and one has to select the info record category as consignment. Here tax code is mandatory. Without tax code, system won't allow to do settlements. So now, as I explained before, there should be a reference purchase organization that should be assigned. Here the standard purchase organization should be assigned. Here you can see for the plant N003, for which we are going to create a purchase order, the purchase organization that has been assigned is N003. With reference to this purchase organization only, an info record should get created. Here we have created with N003 only. The same purchase organization should be used while creating purchase order. Then only one will be able to do the settlements. So now let us go ahead and create a purchase order. The material we have created is 60,062. If you observe, I am not giving any price here. I am just entering the rest of the details. Here you can see the price has been grayed out. While doing the settlement, system will pick the price from info record. Here the price maintained per quantity for this material is 10 USD. So this price will be taken into account while doing the settlements. So now let us go ahead and do the goods receipt. So if you see here, we can observe the movement type is coming as 101K, which is goods receipt for consignment stock. We can go ahead and post it. If we display the material document, or if we check the material document, we can see there won't be any accounting documents. See, no subsequent documents found. This is because still, even though the goods receipt is done, still the materials ownership is in the hands of vendor only. That is why system don't generate any FI documents. Now if we go ahead and do the transfer posting with 411K, So now business has a requirement of 10 quantity. So this quantity is being taken from consignment stock. That is why we have given the vendor number. Since this vendor has provided the stock, system automatically will recognize the consignment stock. So now if we post it, for this posted material document only, accounting entries will get generated. See, now accounting document is generated. If we go to accounting document, we can see the posting keys KON and BSX gets triggered. Usually for goods received in normal scenarios, it should be WRX. Since this is drawn from consignment stock, so the inventory is being balanced with transaction key KON instead of WRX. So now if we execute MRKO transaction, one has to give the vendor, plant and the material. And if we display, we can see a material document. So for this, since we have consumed 10 quantity out of the consignment stock, as per the info record price, which is 10 USD per quantity, the total amount that needs to be settled is coming as 100, and it is not yet settled because we went into display mode. Now if we click on settle and execute, then only any FI document will get generated. This FI document is generated only because of the configuration setting which we have done. A standard purchase organization has been assigned to the plant, and also in purchase info record we have maintained a tax code. If there are multiple tax codes maintained for any company code, and if there are any jurisdiction codes maintained, then accordingly those need to be assigned to the respective company code and plants. Otherwise one cannot do the settlement. So here we can see the KBS, the GL account that is coming through consignment posting key in in material document is being settled down here. So this is how consignment process will be handled. Thanks for watching it.